And hey guys, welcome back to Big Rigs and More, and today we're going to be installing the Valvomax oil change system on a 2012 Scion XD. Got some washer gaskets right there. I'm going to see if this will fit. I made sure I ordered it to fit. Fingers crossed. No tools, no mess, fast drain system. Oil can be changed with a twist of a wrist. There's social media links. Is this online? Valvomax.com probably. Alright. What makes Valvomax systems so great? It makes changing your oil a snap, high quality stainless steel, premium viewer rings, O-rings, inner wave spring technology, ISO 9001 certified. Fits most cars. Controls sampling. One-time installation protects. Drain threads, tools-free, mess-free operation, limited lifetime warranty. And there's the steps right there. Move existing drain plug and washer and clean sealing surface to install. Position washer onto valve and tighten with hand first. Then force plug into port. Use torque wrench to tighten. Refill crankcase with oil and run engine for 1 minute. Check for any leaks. That's like normal. Okay. So we'll get this. I hope I can get this up with one hand. Yes, I can. Okay. There is the. Oh, if I can get this in the camera. The hookup when you're getting ready to drain your system. Saw this on Scotty Kilmer, so definite shout out to him for me picking this up. So put that back. And here is the plug. Sorry if it's a little bit blurry, guys. But yeah, hold on. Let me pause this. Alright, and quick look to what the inside looks like. Let's put this bad boy on. Alright, here is the oil drain plug on the right, new one on the left, and sorry I got about the shaky camera again. I am just using my cell phone at the moment. And let's see here. Let's say clean surface, cleaned it down, and we're gonna thread this. There we go. That boy. Oh, it's going on pretty good. Again, I do have the washer, the Toyota OEM washer I purchased off of Amazon. This I ordered off the Valvomax website. I think it was about 40 bucks or so. And there we go. So I can zoom that in for you. Fitting nicely on there. Not tie it too tight, but just enough. Make sure that's tight. Don't want to. Shouldn't have to worry about any spillage because again, the system they use the springs and the O-rings, the BUA O-rings, and then I'll come back with a torque wrench like they said, and then just gently tighten that. But it should be good. Oh, slippery. So there we go. Installation of the Valvomax oil change system. Save you time, money, well at least time. Cut it down. Oop. And yeah, let me know how you guys like it. And I'll be sure after I fill it up to test it, see if there's any leaks. I'm going to show you that. I'll see you guys in the next episode.